Pennsylvania, also known as the Keystone State, is a land of captivating landscapes, rich history, and diverse culture. Nestled in the northeastern United States, this charming state offers a wealth of opportunities for travelers seeking unique experiences. From picturesque mountains and tranquil lakes to vibrant cities and historical landmarks, Pennsylvania has something to enchant every type of traveler. In this video, we will explore the top 5 best places to visit in Pennsylvania, where you can immerse yourself in the state's beauty, heritage, and allure. So before we continue, make sure you subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss any of our future videos. 1. Philadelphia, a tapestry of history and modernity. Our journey begins in the vibrant city of Philadelphia, the birthplace of America and the state's largest city. Steeped in history, this metropolis offers an exquisite blend of the past and present, making it a must-visit destination for history enthusiasts and urban explorers alike. Independence National Historical Park is a treasure trove of historical landmarks, including the iconic Liberty Bell and Independence Hall, where the Declaration of Independence was signed in 1776. The nearby Betsy Ross House and the National Constitution Center further enrich visitors' understanding of the nation's founding. Beyond its historical allure, Philadelphia is a cultural hub, boasting world-class museums like the Philadelphia Museum of Art, home to an impressive collection of artistic masterpieces. Additionally, the Barnes Foundation showcases an extraordinary assembly of Impressionist, Post-Impressionist, and Modernist artworks. For food lovers, the city's diverse culinary scene is a treat, offering everything from mouth-watering cheesesteaks to innovative farm-to-table creations at various restaurants and food markets. 2. Pittsburgh, where industrial heritage meets contemporary charm. Heading west, we encounter Pittsburgh, a city that once symbolized the nation's industrial prowess. Today, Pittsburgh has undergone a remarkable transformation, blending its rich industrial heritage with modern developments and a burgeoning arts scene. Architecture enthusiasts will be awed by the magnificent structures, such as the Phipps Conservatory and Botanical Gardens, and the grandiose Cathedral of Learning, a centerpiece of the University of Pittsburgh's campus. To explore Pittsburgh's industrial legacy, visit the Carnegie Museums of Pittsburgh, a conglomerate of 4 unique museums, including the Carnegie Museum of Natural History and the Carnegie Museum of Art. The city's cultural renaissance has given rise to various galleries, theaters, and music venues, making it a cultural haven for art aficionados. Not to be missed is the Andy Warhol Museum, which showcases the works of the renowned pop art icon. Nature lovers will find solace in the vast array of parks and recreational spaces scattered throughout the city, with the beautiful Point State Park offering stunning vistas where 3 rivers converge. 3. Gettysburg, a journey through the Civil War. Moving southwest, history buffs will be captivated by Gettysburg, a small town steeped in significance as the site of the pivotal Battle of Gettysburg during the American Civil War. Gettysburg National Military Park stands as a testament to the sacrifices made during the 3-day battle in 1863. Touring the battlefield, visitors can gain insight into the events that shaped the nation's history, with various monuments and markers honoring the soldiers who fought valiantly. The Gettysburg National Cemetery, where President Abraham Lincoln delivered his famous Gettysburg Address, remains a solemn place for reflection and remembrance. Beyond its historical importance, Gettysburg offers a charming downtown area with unique shops, eateries, and historic inns that provide a glimpse into the town's past. 4. Hershey, a sweet escape. For a family-friendly escapade, Hershey, known as the sweetest place on earth, is an ideal destination. This delightful town is synonymous with chocolate, thanks to the presence of the Hershey Company, a confectionery giant founded by Milton S. Hershey. Begin your Hershey adventure at Hershey Park, an amusement park that promises endless thrills for all ages. The park offers a mix of exhilarating roller coasters, family-friendly rides, and water attractions, making it a perfect destination for a day of fun-filled entertainment. For a more in-depth experience, visit Hershey's Chocolate World, where you can take a free tour to learn about the chocolate-making process and even create your own personalized chocolate bar. To unwind, the Hershey Gardens, with its breathtaking floral displays and butterfly atrium, provides a tranquil setting for nature lovers. Additionally, the Hershey Theatre hosts various shows and performances throughout the year, promising delightful entertainment. Lancaster County, a journey back in time. Our final destination takes us to Lancaster County, a place where time seems to slow down and traditional Amish culture flourishes alongside modernity. Lancaster County is renowned for its Amish community, where visitors can gain insight into their unique way of life by embarking on guided tours of their farms and workshops. Witness the picturesque landscapes as horse-drawn buggies meander along quiet country roads, and experience the simplicity and serenity of Amish living. Intertwined with Amish traditions are charming towns like Bird in Hand and Intercourse, where local artisans showcase their crafts, including handmade quilts and wooden furniture. Nature enthusiasts will revel in the scenic beauty of places like the Susquehannock State Park and the Strasburg Railroad, where vintage locomotives traverse the lush countryside. Pennsylvania's top 5 destinations offer a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. From the historical significance of Philadelphia and Gettysburg to the modern charm of Pittsburgh and Hershey, each destination offers a unique experience that caters to various interests. Lastly, Lancaster County provides a glimpse into a more tranquil way of life, deeply rooted in tradition. Whether you're an avid history buff, an urban explorer, or seeking a family-friendly adventure, Pennsylvania has something to offer every traveler. So, pack your bags and embark on a journey through the Keystone State, where captivating experiences await at every turn.